Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on Nintendo Switch. First, it's important to understand that Call of Duty Warzone is not directly available on the Nintendo Switch. This popular battle royale game requires significant processing power and advanced graphics, which are typically found on more powerful gaming systems. Therefore, you won't find an official version of Warzone to download or purchase for your Switch console. The primary reason Warzone isn't on the Switch is due to hardware limitations. The Switch is an amazing portable console, but its technical specifications are designed for different types of gaming experiences. Warzone features expansive maps, up to 150 players in a single match, and highly detailed environments, all of which require a powerful engine that the Switch's architecture isn't built to handle directly. While you cannot play Warzone directly on your Switch, there are excellent alternatives that offer a similar battle royale thrill. Games like Fortnite and Apex Legends are both free-to-play and readily available on the Nintendo eShop. They provide fast-paced shooting action, large player counts, and the exciting last-person standing gameplay that makes Warzone so popular. These titles are fully optimized for the Switch, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. If your heart is set on playing Call of Duty Warzone, the best way to experience it is on its native platforms. This includes PlayStation consoles, Xbox consoles, and personal computers. These systems provide the necessary power for the game's high-fidelity graphics and smooth performance. You'll get the complete Warzone experience, including all maps, modes, and updates, ensuring you can jump into the action with millions of other players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.